During this period, the candidate contact their voters, political leader address election meeting, and political parties mobilize their supporters. So during the campaign, the candidates, that means the representative, will contact their voters, and the political leaders will address the election meeting, and the political parties, they will mobilize the supporters. That means they will tell their voters to bring more number of votes. This is also the period when newspaper and television news are full of election related stories and debates. So even in the news channel, all the matters related to elections are being run in their news channel. But election campaign is not limited to these 2 weeks only. The political parties start preparing for election months before they actually take place. So whatever the meetings or the procedure which they will do in during the election campaign, they decide it beforehand. In election campaign, political parties try to focus public attention on some big issues. They want to attract the public to that issue and get them to vote for their party on that basis. So during the election campaign, political parties, or you can say the representative, they will try to focus on the public attention on the big issues such as shortage of water supply in a particular area, or there is no electricity, and by using this issue, what they will try to grab the votes from the normal citizens of our country. Let us look at some of the successful slogan given by different political parties in various election. The first is the election congress. The Congress party led by Indira Gandhi gave the slogan "Garibi Hatao," that is remove poverty, in Lok Sabha election in 1975. The Congress party, which was led by the Indira Gandhi, she gave the slogan that is Garibi Hatao, that is remove poverty, in the Lok Sabha election in the year 1971. The party promised to reorient all the policies of the government to remove poverty from the country. So they promise to the normal citizens of our country to eradicate or remove the poverty from our country. Next, Save Democracy was the slogan given by Janata Party under the leadership of Jai Prakash Narayan in the Lok Sabha election held in 1977. The party promised to undo the excesses committed during emergency and restore civil liberties. So, in the Lok Sabha election, which was held in the year 1977, led by Jai Prakash Narayan, he said that he want to save democracy, or you can say the basic meaning of democracy from our country, and he also promised to remove the excess committed during the emergency and restore different types of civil liberties in our country. Next, the left front used the slogan of land to the tiller in the West Bengal Assembly election held in 1977. Next, protect the self-respect of the Telugus was the slogan used by N.T. Rama Rao, the leader of the Telugu Desam party in Andhra Pradesh Assembly election in 1983. In a democracy, it is best to leave political parties and candidates free to conduct their election campaign the way they want to it. So, in a democracy, the best features of a democracy is to leave the political parties or the representative to conduct their election campaign according to their own wish. But it is sometimes necessary to regulate campaign to ensure that every political party and candidate gets a fair and equal chances to compete. So in a democracy, it helps the representative or the political parties to campaign to ensure that every political party or the representative get a free and equal chance to compete with each other. According to our election law, no party or candidate can bribe or threaten voters. So, representative or the leader, they cannot bribe or threaten any voters. appeal to them in the name of caste and religion. We cannot use religion in order to grab the votes from the voters. Use government resources for election campaign. We cannot use government resources in order to run, or you can say in order to during an election campaign, spend more than rupees 25 lakh in a constituency for a Lok Sabha election, or rupees 10 lakh in a constituency in an assembly election. So we cannot use more than 25 lakhs or a 10 lakhs in a constituency during an you can say election. That means 25 lakhs in a constituency during a Lok Sabha election and 10 lakhs in a constituency in an election assembly election. That means at the state level. If they do so, their election can be rejected by the court even after they have been declared elected. So if they will use these dirty tricks in order to grab the votes, they will be rejected by the government of India. In addition to the law, all the political parties in our country have agreed to a model code of conduct for election campaign. So in order to make our election work in a more efficient way, a new method, that means code of conduct, has been established by the Election Commission of our India. According to this, no party or candidate can use any place of worship for election propaganda. So we cannot use any place of worship, that is either temple or masjid, in order to grab the vote from any citizens of our country. Use government vehicles, aircraft and officials for election. We cannot, or you can say the political party cannot use different types of government vehicles, aircraft and officials for election. Last, once elections are announced, ministers shall not lay foundation stone of any project, take any big policy decision or make any promise of providing public facilities. So once the election are announced, the ministers or the representative, they cannot lay any foundation stone of any project, that means any buildings. They cannot take any they cannot promise any big policy decision on any related matter, or they cannot make any promise of providing any public facilities. So this is all about the election campaign.